Let me smell it. It smells like money. Wow, so they have the back looks very similar to the previous one. Oh, look at that Apple logo, shiny. Gold bezels, yeah, very clicky. All right, what's on this side? SIM card. Well, it's a fingerprint magnet. SIM card tray, volume buttons, of course. Physical button, speakers, and this is unfortunately lightning cable, not the USB. Wow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes! We have different languages. Let's stick with English. Let me customize this iPhone at the background. Look at the power we have. Nice. Almost full. Out of the box. That's nice. Face ID. Let me hit that beautiful man. There it is. Samsung, get out of the way. Move a little lower. What do you mean by lower? Oh. Oh yeah, very handsome. No, I'm not using a mask. Those days are over. Continue, look at that notch. Okay, passcode. I've played it a little bit, and there's my picture in front of it. I don't know why there's my picture on it, but look how smooth it is. Ooh. I've installed a couple of apps, stuff like that. I love OKX. Look how green it is. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Uni, Dot. It's green. I love it. Nice, really smooth. Feels good in hands. A bit slippery, but feels. It's not super slippery like Galaxy phones. It's not bad. Yeah. That screen is amazing. Well, now I will need to show you camera. This is very important, and that's why you bought that Pro version. Camera, of course, in the photo department, you can go all the way to 15x from the wide angle. On a video, all the way to 4K 60, and with telephoto all the way to 9x. We have cinematic experience, portrait mode. Let me hit that portrait mode. There it is. There he is. Woo! Alrighty then, all kinds of different action. Let me bring you some samples, and yeah.
1x, 2x, 3x. Let's go even further. That's 10x. Nice. Let's go back to the wide angle. Wide. Bear in mind, this is just a first impression video. The full review would be on another. Well, so what is my first impression? First of all, things which I don't like. I don't like this huge island, which is, I know it's animated, but it's huge. I used to the Android, which has a very small holes, very tiny hole. This is humongous, and it's bother me. This is just a personal thing. Another thing which I don't like is battery. Well, from yesterday, I have to charge the smartphone 3 times. Now that's the third time. That's I don't know. Because when you hit 4K 30 frames per second recording, the battery goes rather quickly. And then 60 even fucking faster. Anyway, yeah. What else? I try to find a good app for edit in the smartphone. App video and photo editing software, and there's many. Most of them are very expensive, like 3 times or 1x more expensive than on the Android, which is strange. I don't want to pay $80 for the app. That's too much. Come on. I found an InShot, which is way cheaper and quite good. If you know any fantastic app to edit an iPhone, let me know in a comment below. I try iMovie, but it's very limited, and it's giving me an error. That's what it is. I also tried the smartphone as a webcam, and when you turn off your screen, it will not work, which on Android is not an option. I mean, it is sorry, let's cut that. It is an option. My English is not that great. So in Android, you can turn off your screen and the camera will still work. In iPhone, unfortunately, maybe it's a security thing. It won't. That's what it is. Now the things which there's one more thing which I don't like: transferring files to the PC. If the file is bigger than 1 GB, it fails. Error. It happens to me with every iPhone, like 12, 13, 14, every of them, 10. It is what it is. You could say use the iTunes. I try using iTunes. That didn't work. Also, transferring files to how do you call it? iCloud. I have a premium iCloud. It will compress those files. There's the option in the iCloud that you can check to not compress your files, but it's still not working. It's still 720p when you download from the iCloud, from the 4K. That's pathetic, and I don't know. It's unusable, at least for me. Photos are fine, but videos compressed. That's bad. So I probably need to use a Dropbox or OneDrive. So yeah, there's that. What else? But everything else is fantastic. Look at that build quality. Look at that golden rim. Look at that screen. That screen is good. It is really, really good. And of course, video and photo quality is second to none. I think it's the best in the market. And that's the whole thing for the first impression. Audio is really harsh, at least for me. I like warm audio. This isn't warm. This is just let me hit no copyright sound. What? Okay, there it is. There it is. No copyright sound. See, it is loud, very loud, but kind of metallic sound, not a warm like on Galaxy's smartphones. I prefer warm, but that's personal preference. Let me put that charger back in. The charge to 100%. And of course, you need a case because sides are slippery. Back is not that slippery at all, but sides are quite. I already bought the case. This will be on another video. And the screen is very, very bright. I love how bright it is. Everything is visible in the daylight. Yeah, that's my first impression. Kind of good. But it's not perfect. Huh? That's what it is. And I forgot about Galaxy Deck, which is not the Galaxy Deck. What I'm saying, Galaxy Buds connected to an iPhone sounds better than in a Samsung smartphone. That's saying something about the deck which is built in this fantastic device. Well, that's all. I think that's all I have. Thanks for watching and see you in a full review. Bye.